This is much better than before. We don't have to have this mechanism because we're using the thicker.
So this is flux.
Yep.
And what is the point of flux? What does flux do?
Flux, when it interacts with the heat, displaces the oxygen so that the two metals adhere. So the first thing you do is go along and say, you put a dot just so you cover each of the surfaces. And I don't know, I'm crazy, I like to cover them completely. But
Better safe than sorry.
yeah.
You're a generous guy. We're just using a cotton bud here.
See my welding technique here with the bracing?
Yeah. Stabilize.
It works everywhere. Okay. We went to the fat. It's a breaking point with overheating, and when you have too much heat, it'll mess this up. And we started out with the thin ones, and then we were using about 1.5 inches off of each one. So with this one dip into the flux will get you 8 or 10 of them. And we wait to get to here. I wish there was and there probably is a way to make this on time, because if you even hold it like I'm gonna hold it for too long, you look up and it went cold. So
And what temperature are we looking for?
380. And then when you first start, and you can look through here, this end needs to be clean. If you build up a lot of solder on here, it really makes it tough to melt. It won't be liquid quick enough. Okay, so we're at 380, and we can go like this one. And I'm laying it down to get more surface on this dot. And so I lay it there for a couple of seconds, and the first couple go a little slower. And that puts the drop on, so you can put it on here. When it melts, the gravity will drop it down, and when it gets hot enough, it'll adhere. And we're looking to go all the way around, but that was not quite enough to get all the way around there. Not that you have to get it, but that's just a good point of QC. And it's going to get warmer and start doing them faster. I know it says 380 now. Somehow it's more cumulative heat or something, and they start cruising right through it. And this is actually fun. See, it starts going better once you get cruising. And then, so I wiggle this and shake it now and then to keep the temperature from starting to drop like it thinks you put it in the rack.
So you're just looking for a little bead.
Just a bump on top, because then we're going to drop the wire that already has a piece of solder onto it, and then the two will bond together really well.